What is Morita therapy? Alright, let's discuss, my friend. In Western world, they believe that what you think, it will affect your feelings, and your feelings will affect how you act. So it's just something like thinking and feelings and action. But Morita therapy, my friend, is different. It's the other way around. So your action will create your new behavior or your new feelings. So it's reverse with the Western world belief. Okay, so what is Morita therapy? Okay, it's been used for those, these are the used by psychologists in Japan. Especially those who are depressed person, or those person that they feel empty, or they feel like there's no such meaning in life. Okay, so there's anxiety or depression. So there are three basic formula of this Morita therapy. So number one is we cannot we cannot control our feelings. We just need to accept them. Okay, so our emotions are very unpredictable. So they are like the weather. It's comparable to the weather. So we cannot predict them, we cannot control them, but what we can do, we can watch it. So it's just like with these feelings or our emotion. So we don't need to control it, we don't need to what do you call this, instead of contradicting it, it's difficult. So it's just like when you have a donkey tied on this pole, and this donkey keep rotating and rotating and moving until the donkey will be tied up on that pole instead. So it's just like us, when we have anxiety, depression, or anything that bothering us, and if we keep pushing ourselves, thinking about it, worrying about it, stressing about it, the more we think about it, the more it will become bigger, because we are energy. Wherever our attention is, it will expand. Okay, so number two of the Morita therapy is feelings. What is that? The number two is do what should be you are doing, right? Because Morita is action, and then it will change your emotion. It reverses with the Western belief that your thinking and your feelings will lead to action. So Morita is your action will change your emotions or your behavior. So the number one is accept whatever that emotions or feelings. Do not put force or counterflow it. So just accept it, acknowledge it, and let it go. So number two is you should be doing what you want to be doing. Wow, so this number two is very powerful. This is the action part, because action is the one who could lead, the result of the action could lead a new emotion. Wow. Okay, so it's a very good knowledge we know from this Morita therapy. Our action, the result of that action that we've been doing, could lead us to a new emotions or new behavior. Number three is discover life purpose. So once a human being able to discover the life purpose, why he still wants to live, what is the reasons why you want to get out of the bed every morning, why is the reasons you don't want to commit suicide. It's very simple. There is a psychologist that every patient that he has is, he got this very simple question. He don't want to try to ask anything, but the first question he asks is, why you don't commit suicide? That's it. So okay, most of this patient answer is they will think. Okay, so majority 80% of them is they have something to live for, and 60% of them is something like they have someone that worth living for. It could be their loved ones, friends, families, or something like that. So discovering life's purpose is one of this is the number 3 method of this Morita therapy, because when a human being has a purpose, it could your brain will keep working, your body will keep working. That's the reason that you will be alive. So it's just like when we don't know the life's purpose, it's just like the life is like empty routine. You might have all the riches in the world, but it seems that it's gonna be empty because there is no purpose. Wow, my friend. So living with a purpose and accept the feelings with our emotion. Don't fight with it. Just don't ignore it. It's not eliminating these emotions. Acknowledge the emotions. We are not our emotions. Okay, when anger comes to us, or anxiety, depression, it's not our control. We can feel it. So Morita therapy is just like accept it, acknowledge it, that there is that emotion, but don't let that emotions drive you. Don't let that emotion control you. Don't let that emotion become you. So you become the watcher of that emotion. Hope you learned something on this Morita therapy. See you next time. Babu.